Your two old Končar elevators. Completely original. These lifts are very busy, so I'll just try to film them in one ride. I mean, one ride each. Two rides each, actually, to the top floor and back. They have original folding inner doors, original engines and everything. Now look at this, it will just immediately go down. So I didn't even push ground floor, and probably no one called this to the ground floor, it just goes down immediately. I guess that's because it's so frequently used. So they set it to just be present at the ground floor so that people don't have to call it every time they come. And there are always people coming. I always get interrupted. Right, now let's try the other one. The other one doesn't go to the ground floor, so I'll have to climb up to the first one and then call it. There we go. Now it works. Okay, but they are working together, so I have to send this one up and then call the small one. Here we go. This is the small one. Oh, it's big as well, okay. The original. One more ride. You can put your hand through here and touch the wall. Here we are.